This is Geometry 10.1, Lines and Segments in Circles. So the first thing that you'll need to know is what a circle is. Even though you already know what a circle is, we'll define what a circle is. All points in a plane equidistant from a single point. So if I have a point, I can actually use a compass in order to construct or draw my circle. So I'm going to put the sharp part of my compass at that single point. And then this distance is going to hold the same and draw all the points that are on the circle. That point that all the other points are the same distance away from is the center. And you name a circle by the center. I'm going to call this point C right here. So then this would be circle C. That's how you name it. And one segment in a circle is a chord. So a chord is a segment whose endpoints are on the circle. For example, this would be chord AB. And then if the chord goes through the center, it's still a chord, but it has a more specific name, like PQ right here. PQ is the diameter of the circle. So a diameter is a chord of a circle that contains the center. So every diameter is a chord, but not every chord is a diameter. And then a secant, it's kind of like a chord, except a chord is just a segment. A secant is a line that intersects a circle in 2 points. So above, by the points that the line intersects the circle, call them M and N, and this would be secant MN. And it's a line, so I have the little line symbol above it. And then another line that intersects a circle is a tangent. So sometimes words have two meanings. In this case, a tangent is not for a right triangle. It's not the side opposite over adjacent. A tangent for a circle is a line that intersects a circle just in one point. So this would be a tangent line. I can call a tangent line like MN. So one way you can think about a tangent line is, like if this is the road and then this is a tire, then the tire, unless it's flat but properly inflated, then the tire makes contact with the road in only one point. This is what's called the point of tangency. Where the line and the circle intersect. I'm going to call that just point X in this case. And then if we look at coplanar circles, if you have two circles in the same plane, they could either intersect or not intersect. If they intersect, they could either intersect in one point. So here's a circle. If it intersects a second circle, that's not necessarily the same size. They could intersect in one point like this. Those would be referred to as tangent circles. Two circles can intersect also in 2 points like this. Or as I mentioned, two circles in the same plane don't necessarily have to intersect. But if you have 2 points of intersection, then they would just intersect in 2 points. There's not a specific name like there is for tangent circles. Those are all the basics of circles. Make sure you know and understand all the different segments like a secant, chord, diameter, and then tangent as well. So know all the different segments and lines in a circle.